एवरीवन, मैं हूं शेफ अकरम। आज का जो वीडियो टॉपिक है सुरकन चिकन सूप। सुरकन चिकन सूप किस तरह बनाया जाता है। हमारा चाइनीज बहुत बड़ा सूप है, बहुत अच्छा लाजवाब सूप है। अधिकतर लोग ये सूप लाइक करते हैं। तो आज का जो वीडियो टॉपिक है सुरकन चिकन सूप किस तरह बनाया जाता है, वीडियो उसी पर है। तो उसके लिए हम बुला रहे हैं शेफ स्टीवन को। आज वीडियो में वही रहेंगे, सुरकन चिकन सूप किस तरह बनाया जाता है आज ये वीडियो में वही।
Good evening, my friends. Good evening, all over my friends. Today, I want to tell you that we are thanking you for your appreciation. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for always supporting us. Don't forget to subscribe. Today, I'm going to make something special and little. Today, I'm making sweet corn chicken soup, which is just a starter. This is my chicken. This is my sweet corn, which I blended to my own taste. And this is my cream, the cooking cream. You can see it. You can use the choice of yours. And just this is my salt, this is my ginomoto, and this is my little of sugar. And this is my egg beaten. I'm just making a portion, just a portion for one person. So enjoy me. I'm making sweet corn chicken soup. Okay, now this is my fry pan. Put a bit of water, just for a portion. I already made stock. This is my stock, chicken stock. Just put for a portion. Now I'm putting my salt. Putting my salt. Putting my ginomoto. If you like, you can use any stock you want. Now I'm putting my sugar. Just a little. You stir it. Allow it to boil a little. Allow it to boil before you put any other things. Now I'm about putting my chicken. Put a little of chicken. Not much. Put a little of my chicken. Allow it to boil. Now I'm putting on my chopped sweet corn. You can use the whole, but I prefer it this way. And there are many kind of sweet corn, blended one you like, which you can get. It must not be the whole one. It's boiling. You check your taste, your sugar, your salt. Check and get the right taste. If they're not okay, put a bit of it. A bit of it. You can see it's boiling. It's boiling. Slow your heat. And now I'm going to put my beat egg. This is my egg. If you choose. If you don't like egg, you can make it without egg. We have sweet corn soup and sweet corn chicken soup. This is non-veg. But if you wanted veg, you don't need to put chicken, you don't need to put egg. This is just for those who don't like chicken. I'm putting on my cream a little. Putting on my cooking cream. I like to boil a little. I like to boil. I like to boil. See now, I told you that this is just a starter. I'm about to put my corn flour to make it thick. This is just starter before you're ready for the main course. So this is just a starter. Make it a bit thick to your taste. That's it. It's about ready. See, it's almost ready now. This is my choice of thickness. This is my choice of thickness. See it? So it's just a starter soup. can see there's my egg on it. You can see everything is coming up nice. It's ready. Subscribe. Believe me, subscribe. If you like it, subscribe. We are going to give you more and more. Believe me, we are here to give you more.
उम्मीद है कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा कि सुटकन चिकन सूप किस तरह बनाया था। आप भी अपने घरों में ट्राई करें और हमें सपोर्ट कीजिए, लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं एक नई डिश के साथ में।